Good day, guys. If you're facing the bleeding and your menses and your period cycle, the heavy bleeding, so today I'm telling you the home remedy you can get from any herbal store. Take the carrot seeds. Take the 1 teaspoon of carrot seed, put it in the 1 glass of water and boil it. When it's become the half, then you can drink this tea. From first 2 drinks, you will get right up heavy bleeding. You can take 1 glass early in the morning and the second glass at night time before the meal, before the dinner. If you facing much bleeding, then you can use this remedy for 2 or 3 days during the period cycle. You will get right up the heavy bleeding. Try this.